David, I live in Wales. Basically, I'm here at Antlara Clinic. My journey started probably about 6 months ago. I contacted Antlara, sent them some pictures. I'm very rarely surprised or impressed by pretty much anything in life, but Antlara really kind of set the bar with their communication, whether it was from their English office, the UK office, or abroad. I had my first visit in December. Naturally, I was anxious. I think you always are, but I can't really praise the business enough. My first visit, they outlined everything I needed doing. We went through all of the procedures, constant reassurance. I sat with at least 3 to 4 people within the business. They outlined the cost, very accommodating and very professional. And what did surprise me was probably the facilities. Technically, how clean, it was very impressive. So from my first visit, I received 4 extractions, 2 implants, and a slight bone graft. The realistic of it is that I was probably asleep after about an hour and 20 minutes because I didn't even realize that the work had been done. It was so precise. The aftercare, the medication, the treatment they give you, taxiing from the airport, the hotels, again, all done by WhatsApp, all looked after, fantastic communication. I've just returned now 4 months later for 1 week for my final treatment. I couldn't be happier. Literally just spent the afternoon reassuring people that sat in the waiting room for their treatment. And I couldn't praise the company enough. Great team, always know your name when you walk through the door. And yeah, I'm really happy with everything they've done. So thank you very much, Antlara, and I will be highly recommending you.